Hello, in this video I'll show you how to replace the AC condenser on Mercedes E-Class W211. We start by removing the bolts on the metal plate that is on top of the AC condenser. Once all the bolts are removed, we can move the metal plate to the side so that it's not in our way. Now we need to disconnect this cable. Next, we'll remove this plastic cover. Next, we need to push these plastics so that we release this pipe for the hydraulic system and also for the AC condenser. From the bottom, we need to also remove another plastic cover, and also we need to disconnect the two pipes that go into the AC condenser. In my case, I've already disconnected the two pipes. The last thing before taking out the AC condenser, we need to release the intercooler on the two sides so that it moves freely, so that it can make more space for the AC condenser to come out. I'm going to be using pliers to loosen the plastics on the intercooler, and then I can take out the AC condenser. It's a little bit tight to take out the AC condenser, but you work from the top and from the bottom, and eventually it will come out. Here it is, the AC condenser is out. Next we can put on the new AC condenser. Make sure you put about 50 milliliters of oil into the new AC condenser before putting it back on. And then you can assemble everything back in the reverse order. Hopefully the video was helpful. If it was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos and give the video a thumbs up. Thank you very much.